last 7 1/3 innings. Spencer Jones will lead things off for the Renegades in the top of the first. Ventura ready. Jones ready. Our first pitch of the game. Hit on the line through the right side for a base hit. One pitch and one man on here to start this Wednesday evening. And we are officially underway at 7:05 Eastern with a 108-mile-an-hour single to right from Spencer Jones. Had to start from a guy that has not pitched in what seems like forever. This a line drive over the leaping glove of Williams into center for a base hit. Ramirez throws to third, and they can't force the lead runner.
You see a 93, 3-2. Misses low, ball 4, and Jones is aboard with a one-out walk.
He's got to be the only guy in minor league baseball wearing number 93, right?
Far this year, that paces this Renegade squad. There he goes. Pitch up and away. Throw down is wide right. Jones is in safely. Reed working out of the stretch. We'll see if Jones wants to get uber aggressive here and think about swiping third. He does. 1-1. Swing and a miss, and he takes third without a throw.
Pablo Reyes, a game-tying 2-run homer in the 8th. Runner goes from first to 3-2, and Jones a line drive base hit into left field. One run is in. On his way to third, Familia. He'll be waved around. Throw in by the cutoff man won't be made. It's an opposite field 2-run double for Spencer Jones, his third hit of the night.